Hi everyone, Kieran Brown here, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about why I don't count calories anymore and what I do instead. So, what I'm going to talk about in this video is what I did first, what to track instead, how to get the fastest results, and also cutting and bulking targets, the only two that you'll ever need. So, I'll start by saying that during my first transformation, I did count calories, and it was a real like education in nutrition. Like if you've never done it before, then I highly recommend trying it for a bit because you'll just learn so much about why some foods are good and some foods aren't, and it's a great skill to have, and it'll really help you out like along your journey. So what is the alternative? I know a lot of people might roll their eyes when they hear like counting calories and think it's a lot more effort than it's worth. So, what else can you do? And what have I been doing for the majority of the past year? And that is daily weigh-ins. So the way this kind of works is you'll weigh in daily, and then you'll basically just compare your week on week results. And if they're within the targets, which I'll talk about on the next slide, then you kind of know that you're eating the right amount. If you're like under your targets, say you're trying to lean down and your weight is like plateaued, or you're even like gaining weight, if you're weighing yourself every day and the weight's going up, then you know that something needs to change. You need to eat less, and this just saves like a lot of time. It takes like a minute every morning. Just make sure you're fasted, haven't eaten anything. Just do it first thing, and then record the data on like a spreadsheet. I can put the link to mine in the description. And I'd say for the fastest results, it would be to count calories and like do the weigh-ins as well. And because you'll start to learn the relationship between how many calories you're eating and the weight gain or loss, like every day. And in the past few days, to start off 2025, I have actually started a season of counting calories again. This is the first time really in probably 18 months, 2 years, that I've actually done it. And what I noticed was I calculated my maintenance calories to be around 2,400, and I'm on a lean bulk at the moment. So I decided to eat like 2,600 calories, and I basically lost like over a kilo on that weigh-in. So I know like okay, that was definitely like undershot those maintenance calories. And then the next day I upped it to 3,400, and that and I managed to gain like half of that loss back. And then yesterday I did 3,000, and I lost a little bit, which is surprising. So by counting the calories and doing the daily weigh-ins, you can sort of like tweak it a lot easier and find out whether you need to increase or decrease like quicker. So I spoke earlier about the only two targets you need, and this is from dozens of hours of research, reading books, um, watching YouTube videos from like all different kinds of people, like influencers, and basically trying to come up with like a commonly accepted number for like leaning down and also like a bulking up target. And there are differing opinions, but I've boiled it down to these two. If you're leaning down, 1% of total body weight per week is a great target, and lean bulking, which I'm doing now, is a quarter to a half a kilo per week, which is roughly like 1 to 2 pounds. So if you're doing your daily weigh-ins and you're within like these targets each week, then you're eating the right amount. So in summary, counting calories has been a real education in nutrition, and if you've never done it before, then I highly recommend it. I think you'll learn a lot. I know I did. And then after a while, you'll just be able to eyeball it. and you can just focus on the weigh-ins. But even if I am counting calories, I weigh in every day anyway. And the two targets to aim for is a 1% drop in total body fat per week, or a quarter to half a kilo gain per week. So if you want to go through your own body transformation in 2025, then I do one-to-one coaching. The top link in the description will take you to my page where you can speak to me. That's everything for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.